Welcome to English with LK. Are you ready to learn English with fun? I am riding a bicycle. I am taking a photograph. I am taking a photograph. I am flying a kite. I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. I am throwing the ball. I am throwing the ball. I am making a sandwich. Great job, little learners! You did amazing! Keep learning, keep speaking, and see you next time!